What is going on, everybody? This is DeFi Money Printer off here with something new for you, and it's going to be the start of the series 5 minutes with Zen. Zen is the currency of the Horizen Blockchain. And here we're just going to give you a basic synopsis of what is Zen, why I'm so excited about Zen. Really one of the projects that has brought me the most interest and passion within the blockchain space. So yeah, let's get it started off here. Horizen is the most secure, interoperable blockchain ecosystem supported by the largest and most decentralized multi-tiered node infrastructure in the industry. No, that's a mouthful there, but we're definitely going to be covering all this on this series of videos for Horizen. And just to be clear here, I am a Horizen Global Ambassador, part of the Zenvangelist program, which Horizen has, and that surely will be covered here on the series as well. And just to really keep this high level here, Horizen is a proof of work blockchain similar to that of Bitcoin, but it is a hybrid consensus mechanism here. So there is proof of work and there is a multi-tiered node structure as well, which we'll definitely be taking a deep dive on also. So here, powered by the largest and most decentralized multi-tier node infrastructure in the industry, Horizen is approaching nearly 50,000 nodes running on the network that are either 42 or 500 Zen, to have those getting rewards with certain requirements to meet to be rewarded for that. One benefit of Horizen is privacy is optional, and some of the best brains in the industry here designing and using zero knowledge proofs and technology, ZK snark. So anytime you see ZK, that is zero knowledge. The network is protected against 51% attacks, meaning 51% of the miners going to try to attack the network. If one large organization or individual tried to attack the network with 51% of the hash power, there is, I believe, a delayed consensus mechanism to safeguard against these attacks. And the network is scalable. With the most exciting thing about Zen for me is Zendoo, which is the zero knowledge network or internet of blockchains, where you are able to build your own customizable, programmable blockchain with its own consensus mechanism, and run this as a side chain right alongside and secured by this very decentralized and secure and what I like to call bulletproof Horizen main chain. So there is a sustainable ecosystem here. The block reward, 60% going to those proof of work miners, 20% goes to the Treasury or the Horizen Foundation, where this project can continue to develop. We're coming up on the 5th anniversary of Zen, which launched back right at the end of May 2017. And I've been involved here in the project, really diving in deep to the GPU mining aspect back in 2017. Since then, the mining has heavily been overtaken by ASIC mining, which is the Equihash mining algorithm. But there is still opportunities for individuals and groups to receive these rewards, whether you have ASIC miners set up for Equihash, or you host a secure node or a super node. Secure nodes require 42 Zen, super nodes 500 Zen, and the remainder of those block rewards are split to those node operators. So definitely will take quite a bit deeper dive on a lot of these topics here, trying to keep it to 5 minutes per video. So we did quickly mention Zendoo ZEN nodes. Sphere is Horizen's wallet. HDE, place for developers and ambassadors to contribute to the project and earn rewards. The Horizen Academy, another place to learn about Horizen and blockchain. And the Horizen Community Council is the first step in gearing Horizen towards a full decentralized autonomous organization. So this is going to be the first of the 5 minutes with Zen series. And definitely stay tuned for more, as we'll make as many episodes as necessary to cover the entire Horizen blockchain and Horizen Zendoo ecosystem. Cheers, DeFi Money Printer. I'm out.